Want a robot roommate that's neat, helpful, doesn't flirt with your girlfriends, and doesn't leave socks everywhere? The Astrobot S1's got your back. It is a humanoid robot designed for both domestic and industrial tasks. ProDrone is a single-rotor drone for professionals in logistics, disaster response, security, and large area monitoring. Powered by a gasoline engine, it can fly up to 2.5 hours, carrying 33 pounds. This robot is smaller than a flea, but it could change how doctors treat patients. Built at Northwestern University, it measures just 0.02 inches wide and is shaped like a tiny crab. Plus, it runs on laser light. Zip through city streets in the Yo-Yo, a tiny electric car that can squeeze between two bikes. Its 20 horsepower motor hits 55 miles per hour, and the battery lasts up to 93 miles. Here we have a Danish wave energy system that does something clever. It generates electricity and can also produce fresh water. Flat plates float on the waves and move back and forth, powering pumps that pressurize seawater. That pressure can move a turbine to produce electricity. When you will check for Wi-Fi next time, maybe you will connect from this giant helium blimp floating 12 miles above Earth. It's 213 feet long, solar-powered, and can stay in the sky for months at 60,000 feet. It beams internet, tracks methane for the EPA, and watches wildfires. Lunaset Pro is perfect for freediving, underwater swimming, or just gliding through the water for fun. Its blade moves like a dolphin's tail, letting you move through water like a fish. With a 15-foot wingspan and weighing just 55 pounds, Solar X1 can travel 370 miles on a single flight using only sunlight. Built by XSun, it's designed for long missions like mapping and environmental monitoring. Wahoo shoes are comfort and smart. Air-filled heels let you adjust through an app, perfect for walking or running. Sensors track your steps and movement, giving tips that improve over time. Next, we have a place for you to rest. Seriously, a quiet little cocoon built for real rest. It's Zero Seat, inspired by NASA to help you fully relax. You get clean oxygen, gentle back massage, soft lighting, and calming music. It even wakes you after 20 minutes. Enough sleep, back to work. Forward to Analyze Effie, a laundry machine designed to dry and iron up to 12 items of clothing simultaneously. To operate, hang your wet clothes on standard hangers, load them onto Effie's pull-out rail, and press start. The machine automatically pulls in each piece and removes creases using a bar that runs over the fabric. At Rocket Lab's Maryland facility, a massive automated fiber placement machine is reshaping how rockets are built. The 39-foot-tall system lays carbon fiber for the Neutron rocket's biggest parts at high speed, checking its own work in real time. Feeling stressed? Well, it's normal with all the things happening all around the world. Calmigo is a small device that helps you relax naturally. I definitely need this, also my brother. Clinically tested, it combines breathing guidance, soothing scents like peppermint, and calming vibrations to ease anxiety in just minutes. Alakai Technologies has built something that feels straight out of the future. Its aircraft runs on hydrogen fuel cells, which means it produces zero emissions. The only byproducts are water and heat. It can travel about 400 miles and stay in the air for 4 hours. Next, let's talk about this pool lounger that glides at up to 3 miles per hour. It has a comfy backrest, lower back support, and cup holder. Dual motors and enclosed propellers make drifting safe. Moving to TotalSense, where your shower is more than just hot air. The TotalSense provides an steam shower experience through advanced steam regulation and sensory. It combines steam, light, scent, and sound into a complete home spa setup. These days we have drones everywhere, and this one is impressive. Whether it's freezing at -40 degrees Fahrenheit or scorching at 104 degrees Fahrenheit, it's out there helping rescuers track lost hikers. It has thermal, infrared, and daylight cameras, plus a phone tracker. Batu gives you a full body massage. It uses smart AI to adjust the air pressure to fit your shape. The airbags inflate and deflate about 10 times a minute, creating a gentle wave motion that supports and relaxes your body. I found Perfect Trainer. It has high-quality VR flight simulator for planes and helicopters. It pairs professional controls with the XTAL3 headset, offering 4K visuals and a 200-degree view.